Hey, so this is my VTOL test bed. Um, I guess I can sort of explain how all of this technology stuff works, logic stuff. So, I mean, this is pretty simple. These go into that and make it to where they can do both axes at once. Anyway, uh, this is essentially my throttle, which is set to proximity. It's pretty important that it isn't actually touching this because then the engines would constantly be on, which is good on something with like rotors or whatever, but not good on this. Um, so it's sending a negative signal, which might seem weird right now, but it'll make sense later, sorta. These are sending a negative signal too, so yeah. Uh, these, however, are sending a positive signal. These are the pitch sensors. So, as the nose rises, it will send a signal to the math block. This math block is set to greater, which means, say it's rolled over like 7 degrees and its pitch is like 20. It's going to prioritize the pitch because it's at a greater severity or whatever you want to say. Then, which is why everything is sort of negative, it goes into a subtract math brick, which is going to uh, like take these and then feed it into the thruster, which so whenever it needs to pitch down, because let's say it's pitched up 20 degrees like earlier, it's just going to subtract thrust from this engine, well, from both of these engines, and the nose is naturally going to fall. And I have the same stuff set up for the back. These are the roll sensors, by the way. So, I have these lights on there to sort of show what's going on. Since the gosh, why can I not pitch sensors? Since those are positive, the green lights are on in the front, and then they're flipped around in the back. So that's why those lights aren't on. So that shows which engine is putting out thrust. Uh, and then those other lights show what exactly is happening. So on the back you can see those red lights, and on the front. That is the pitch sensors subtracting thrust from each sensor. Uh, and the yellow lights is the roll lights. Now, like I said, they're putting out a negative signal, so in this case, that's actually positive thrust. So it's a little confusing that I have it all mixed up, but whatever. It works. I have the weights all the way out there just to make it sort of harder to roll. You know, like a... What would that be like? Yeah, someone on a trapeze. And the long poles that they carry. Oh god. Oh, okay. Well, another thing with the whole greater than math block is once you get too far over, it's just going to completely take all of the thrust out of one side, and you're just gonna die. So that's a little bit of a problem. But other than that, it works great. I hope that you can maybe use it for VTOL aircraft that you're gonna make, or it just taught you something about the logic blocks, the math blocks. Because to me, they're incredibly confusing, and I just sort of fiddled around with it for like 3 hours and finally got something. So yeah, Thanks for watching. See you later.